So, hello guys, welcome back to develabs.ai. So, in this video, we are going to build a project tracking app with AppSheet. So, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai, guys. So, let me log into a credentials. So, just copy your password and open your Google AppSheet in Ignito mode. Just click on next. Just paste your password here and click on next. So, click on I understand. So your Google Sheet will be opened here. So now I'll be providing link in the description. So get access of that link. So just copy this link given in the description, guys. So just come to a Ignito mode, just open it in Ignito mode and just paste the link in Ignito mode and click on enter. So your user interface will be looking like this. So go to the site, click on go to the site. So now guys, click on this copy app here. So now click on Google, click on this your ID, project ID given which you have been logged in recently, and now click on continue here. So now click on allow. So your Google App Sheet will be displayed in your interface here. So now the task is that just click on this copy app here. So the app name should be as it is, what is it is be. So we must change only the category. So at the category, there's a many options here. You can see here. In these options, do one thing. Click on customer engagement here, and then don't change anything, guys. Just click on this copy app here. So now your copy app will be created. So if you come to Google Sheets, just refresh this page, right? So you can see here projects has been created as a spreadsheet here. Click on here. You can see the all details will be here about attachment locations and budget and etc what you are looking in this. So everything will be opened here. So now just only this step to be followed very carefully, guys. Make remaining all will be easy only. So now click on task number 5. So there is no more check my progress in task number 1 2 3 4. Only there is a only check my progress in task number 5. So now click on check my progress here. So now guys, our lab has been completed successfully, guys. So let's end this lab. So before ending this lab, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai, guys. Let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.